The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
This is the English we speak. I'm Feifei.
And hello, I'm Rob.
Rob, would you mind wiping those crumbs from your mouth?
Sorry.
Do you know, it's very strange. I made a cake last night and brought it to work today to share with you.
Oh, that's very kind.
Yes, but it seems to have vanished into thin air.
Wow, you're a magician. You've made a cake disappear.
No, Rob. The phrase to vanish into thin air means to suddenly, mysteriously and completely disappear. You haven't seen the cake, have you, Rob?
No, Feifei, no sign of your disappearing cake.
OK. Well, let's hear some examples of this phrase. Let's hope they haven't suddenly disappeared.
I can't remember where I've parked the car. I think it's vanished into thin air.
Have you seen the boss? Someone important needs to talk to him, but I can't find him anywhere. It's like he's vanished into thin air.
Has anyone seen my glasses? They've vanished into thin air.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English, and we're learning about the expression to vanish into thin air, which can be used to describe a situation where something mysteriously and suddenly disappears. So, any sign of my cake?
No.
Very odd. I put it on my desk this morning and went to make a cup of coffee, and when I returned, it had gone.
Great cake, Rob. Thanks for sharing it. I hope you'll be baking again soon. See ya!
Rob.
Oh, sorry, Feifei. It was so tempting, so delicious, so I thought...
So you thought you'd eat it?
It helped us demonstrate today's phrase.
There's just one thing I want to vanish into thin air.
Oh yeah, and what's that?
You, Rob. Now I'm off to bake a cake. For me.
See ya. Oh, she's gone.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi, thanks very much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you did. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots and lots of really good content on our channel and all sorts of programs for a wide variety of English language learning. That's it. We'll see you very soon.